guys, welcome back with Thom. Today finally I'm gonna make the diaper Jeep. This is what we need. 3 baby socks and 2 baby bottle and 2 pacifiers and 1 small dishwasher basket and 1 cotton blanket. It's gonna be size 30 by 40 and 4 receiving blankets and some paper tape and 1 roll of the 3-inch ribbon and then some pipe cleaner and 1 tearing ring and diaper. So I used the 109 and size 1 of diaper, and we're gonna use the 2 piece of the dollar foam board and some rubber band and tape and scissors. First we're gonna cut the foam to make a frame. Here Polly gonna show you a little about this.
Okay, everyone, Thom asked me to help her mark this up. Basically, we have all the dimensions on the foam board here, but I'm going to make a PDF plan that'll give you all the dimensions to cut it out. It's fairly simple. It's basically going to be 17 inches long by 10 inches wide, and the sides are going to be 5 inches tall. You'll see that on the PDF that we'll put on the website.
Here's how basic frame look like after we cut. Here you can cut the one side of the paper and smooth down with the pen, and we can fold it just like this. Here the frame is done. We hot glue or taped it on the end here. Now we're gonna make the axle. We're gonna cut the foam board in 18 by 4. Okay, we're gonna cut one side and we're gonna match it with a pen. It's just same thing. The frame is just like this. See, after you cut it and fold it like square, and you can hot glue or tape. Now we're gonna glue the axle on the frame, and we're gonna 2 ends from the back and 2 ends from the front. Now the axle is glued. Now we can put on the side. Now we're gonna cut the hood and the roll bar. Now the hood is cut out, and we're gonna hot glue on the side. It's just gonna look like this. Now the side already glue, and now we're gonna glue in the back. It's about 60 degrees. Now the dashboard is glue, and we're gonna use the tearing ring to be the, what they call it?
The steering wheel?
Yes. If you in England, you can on the right side, or you in America, you can go the left side, or you be crazy, put in the middle. So we put 2 holes right here, and we're gonna put the pipe cleaner. Just make sure the tearing ring is in there. It's just gonna look like this.
Then just twist it together on the back, Thom? Okay, there's your steering wheel.
Now I put the cotton blanket on top the frame. It just look like this, that way. And you can tuck the D8 inside the frame. Now I put the hood in and ready to fill it up, the front end. Now we put the 4 diaper on the bottom, the front end. Now we use the 13 diapers. What they call, Polly?
That's going to be the Jeep grill. Looks like it has the 7 slots, and looks like you staggered the diapers, Thom.
Now we're gonna make the blinker. I'm gonna use the 1 diaper for the each side. The sock is a 1 each color. I use the orange and blue. Now so my blinker look like I put the orange first and cover with the blue, and after that we're gonna tuck in on the each side, just like this. Okay, we're gonna use the 2 baby bottle. It's this one, and we untie, and we're gonna do the turn the nipple, put it in and tie them. Actually I like this color, and it just turned out pretty perfect.
Yeah, those look nice. Look more like a headlight.
Yeah,
that
gonna
way.
be look like this one. See, before you. Now I use the pacify for the toe hook. I just use the pipe cleaner to tighten it, and we're gonna tuck underneath the diaper like this.
That's cool. You got your toe hooks.
Now you can wrap the hood with the receiving blankets. Just fold the same side of the hood. Then you can fold it like this on the each side. Make sure they're even. Now we wrap it up with the paper tape. It's all done. Gonna be look like this. Now I'm gonna make the 5 wheel with the 18 diaper each wheel. Yeah, after I make the wheel, I put the rubber band on that, and I'm gonna make 4 more. Now I put the tie with the Jeep, and I wrap with the ribbon. It's just gonna look like this. Look cool. Now we cut the foam board, and we're gonna make the roll bars.
Okay, I helped Thom cut these. They're basically 1 inch wide, and they're 10 1/4 inches on each side and 9 1/2 inches in the middle. Then there's just a line there, and you're gonna fold it up, right, Thom? After we wrap it with the blanket.
Okay, after I roll 2 rolling bar with the receiving blanket and paper tape, gonna be look like this. Okay, the first rolling bar, and I tuck in the behind the dashboard. It's just gonna look like this. Okay, we use the dishwasher basket, put behind the Jeep, just be the party box. Now we put the rolling bar just inside the party box. It just look like this. Now the third receiving blankets, I just roll the with nothing, and I put the paper tape around it, and we're gonna use with the what do you call, Polly?
Oh, that'll be the back bars on the roll bar.
Okay. Here the rolling bar, and I tuck behind the party box, and we tie the bow on top together with the second bar. Now we're gonna make the spare tire holder. We're just gonna make like the axle, but smaller. It's just for the same thing. Yeah, after we put the grip together, and we're gonna glue the axle in the center. The grip just gonna look like this. Now we have the spare tire holder, and we're gonna just clip in the back of the Jeep, just like this. Now we put the spare tire on. It's good to go. The Jeep's pretty much done, and you can add any accessory, stuffed animal, the flower and the wheel. Yeah, I forgot to tell you about it. We need to make the mirror, and I tied the what do you call this thing?
The pipe cleaner?
And just tie that, and we're gonna use the sock, tuck it in, just look like the mirror.
Cool.
Okay, my Jeep pretty much done, everyone. I just add the accessory. It's more detail gonna be on my website. Is narakbythom.com. Please check it out. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.